Very good morning, student. From today we will start GK, and in GK we will start the post-periodic syllabus. Something about syllabus I want to share with you all, that some chapters we have reduced in GK. So as we move on, I'll tell you that what chapters are not included in the syllabus. So today we will start chapter 27, Women Power. In this chapter we will try to do the exercise. This chapter is about the women who have done lots of work for the society, or who are famous in the society for certain reasons, for the special works they have done. We will discuss about those women. I'll give you the exercise which you have to do in your book. You have to do the exercise with the help of pencil only. Don't use pen to fill up the blank space. And after doing the exercise, you have to submit it in the classroom. So let's start the chapter 27, that is Women Power. So student, we have done till medical miracles. This is chapter number 24 in your periodic exam syllabus. So today we will start the post-periodic exam syllabus. But before starting the syllabus, let me tell you that some of the chapters we have reduced from your syllabus. Like after medical miracles, there is fantastic fairy tales and leading lights, this which we have deducted from your syllabus. And like these chapters, some more chapters are also deducted from the GK syllabus, which I'll tell you while moving to those chapters. So today we have to start the chapter 27, that is Women Power. The chapters which we have reduced from your syllabus will not come in your exam. So let's start the chapter 27, Women Power. Now, here are some famous women around the world. These are the pictures of some famous women. They are famous at the world level. Do you know them? You have to recognize their names and tell the names of these women. Write their names and countries they belong to. Yes, you have to write the names of these women and the countries they belong to. Like the first picture, as you can see, she is a Princess of Wales. Her name is Princess Diana and she is from UK. While writing the names of these women, you can take the help of the help box given both the side. Here the name of these ladies and the countries from where they belong to. You can take the help of these. So let's start the exercise. Okay, Princess Diana, and she belongs to UK. Now let's discuss something more about Princess Diana. She is a Princess of Wales and was a member of British royal family. She was the first wife of Charles and the mother of Prince William and Prince Harry. I hope it is clear to you all. Now move to the second one, that is a social activist. Who is she? She is Aung San Suu Kyi. Her name is Aung San Suu Kyi. Okay, Aung San Suu Kyi. And she is from Myanmar. We will write over here Myanmar. Now, let's discuss some more about Aung San Suu Kyi, why she is famous. Basically, Aung San Suu Kyi is a Burmese politician. Earlier, the name of Myanmar was Burma. So, she is a Burmese politician, diplomat, author, and in 1991, she got Nobel Prize for Peace. Aung San Suu Kyi began a decades-long non-violent struggle for democracy and human rights in Burma. Okay, now she fight for democracy and human rights in Burma or Myanmar. So she is a social activist from the Myanmar. Now move to the third one, social reformer. I hope that you all recognize this face because she was in news in last 2 or 3 years ago. So her name is Malala Yousafzai. Her name is Malala Yousafzai. Now, she is from Pakistan. Pakistan is our neighboring country and she is from Pakistan. She is a social reformer. Now, let's discuss some more about Malala Yousafzai. She is a Pakistani activist for female education and the youngest Nobel Prize laureate. Means she was the youngest person who got the Nobel Prize. And one more thing about Malala is she is an activist and she fight for the female education. Okay, now move to another one. Now, she is an entrepreneur. And what's her name? Her name is Chanda Kochhar. Chanda, Chanda, and Kochhar. Kochhar, Kochhar. She is from India. She is an entrepreneur. She is the former managing director and chief executive officer of ICICI Bank. Okay, now another one. Here is a picture of a social activist. I can say that you all are familiar with her work also, and you can easily recognize who is she. She is a Medha Patkar. Medha Patkar. Okay. She is from India. Now, what she did? Medha Patkar is an Indian social activist working on various crucial political and economic issues raised by tribals, Dalits, farmers, laborers and women facing injustice in India. Means she fight for the rights of the weak person, like the person who cannot fight for themselves. Medha Patkar fight for them, like Dalits, tribals, women's, laborers, farmers, etc. Okay, so now move to the another one. This is the 6th picture of Nobel laureate. She is basically from Iran and her name is Shirin Ebadi. Shirin Ebadi. Okay, and she is from Iran. Now, Shirin Ebadi is an Iranian political activist, lawyer, a former judge and human rights activist. And also she is a founder of Defenders of Human Rights Center in India. Means so many things she is doing. Like she is a politician, political activist, she is a lawyer, she was in a position of judge and also a human rights activist. She founded a organization for human rights in Iran. So, and she got Nobel Prize also. She is a Nobel laureate. Now, the last one, that is the 7th one, that is a picture of an author. Basically, this author is of Indian origin. Her name is Jhumpa Lahiri. Jhumpa Lahiri. Okay, and she is from India, but now she is in America. So she is an American author known for her short stories, novels and essays in English, and recently she has introduced in Italian language also. So she is a person of Indian origin, but now she is from America. That's why it is called American author, but we will write over here India. Okay, now I hope you all have understood and recognize these faces very well. What you have to do this exercise in your book and show it to me in the class group. Now, what Froggy speaks, let's read. Naina Lal Kidwai is the first Indian woman to graduate from Harvard Business School. Yes, we are talking about women's empower, how they become famous, what they did special in their lives. So, Naina Lal Kidwai is also a Indian woman who get graduation from the Harvard Business School, and she was the first woman who got graduation from the Harvard Business School. So, student, while giving you the question answer in the exam, these Froggy speaks are also very important. So please learn it while learning the chapter also. So if you have any queries, you are free to ask me. Thank you, class.